Hello. So we are back here, same Thursday. We just finished the Lenovo laptop. And you see, now I took this job, like it's a car key was dropped and it's not working. Usually I'm fixing the car keys, 25 pounds is fine. I'm fixing anything, I can't say no. Even now we have like 3 TVs here. Hopefully I can do some video about the TVs. So let's see what can be wrong with this one. Yeah, the first, let's test it, yeah. 3 volts. We should see some current drop, yeah. When we press the button, that's the way how you test the remotes. Doesn't matter if it's car or TVs or yeah. So plus it's minus is here, the plus is on the other side. It's taking no power, and when I press the button, nothing. So we should see some current drop, like 1-2 milliamps. Okay. What usually I'm checking on these ones, yeah? I'm checking the load, yeah? Because the load, through the load you will get that current drop, yeah? Which is the coil. And I'll check the buttons also. Maybe the buttons are not pressing, yeah? So let's see together. Okay, we can see here some liquid damage. But looks like... well, you can't see. Sorry. And the microscope is not on. Okay. So we can see some liquid damage here. Well, I don't think that's the cause, because these look old. Like a old liquid damage. Let's check the buttons, yeah? Multimeter, beeping, continuity, yeah? Good. Here, and press the button. And it is working, yeah? We have 0.6 ohms. What about this? 0.5 ohms. What about this? 0.7 ohms. And the last one, 0.7 ohms. Okay, so all are fine. We have the crystal here. The crystal looks fine, yeah. The coil looks fine, so the coil is soldered. Okay, that's a weird one. Let's check the coil together, yeah? Ohms. Ohms. And the coil is not good, yeah? So we can see it's like nothing there, like mega ohms, yeah? So that's our issue, the coil. But the thing is, the coil, it's impossible to get burned. So maybe it's a connection on the sides where the wire comes. Okay. So what do you think about that? That's crazy. How a wire can be broken just by dropping the thing. Okay, any different tweezer. I don't know what car is this remote. Diana, știi ce mașină era? I have no idea what car is. Diana doesn't know. Yeah, so let's solder this wire. Hopefully the wire is coming here. And check after, yeah? Let's use some flux. Rosin flux. Some solder wire. Everything is fine, yeah? So the wire is soldered on place. Let's check now the coil. With the multimeter. For continuity, yeah? And the coil has 38 ohms, yeah? So now it's fine. Hopefully that was the problem. Let's check together if we have current drop, because that's the way how you check the remotes. We have minus, we have plus. Let's press the button. Okay, minus plus. And I still can't see a current drop. That's not good. That's not good. Nothing. So this is very possible to be a very low current on is going through the coil. But also it can be different issue, yeah? Let's see about the water damage. Let's clean it. I'm pretty sure that was the issue. So it's hard to have like two faults. Usually it's one fault, which on this case was very clear. Was the coil wire. Okay, everything looks fine here. But that's fine, yeah. Let's try something else. Let's try and check the voltage. Okay, so I can press down. And let's check the voltage on the coil. Okay. How can I test this? How can I test it? Yeah, oscilloscope get handy, but we don't have the oscilloscope. What about voltage on the quartz, on the crystal? So we have 3.4 volts on the other side. Probably is connected to ground, so it's not even point checking. So how we can test this? Okay, that coil is a proximity coil, so actually we have an antenna here. Which is different story. It's no way how I can check this. I can check with the multimeter. Volt amps diode. Amps, yeah? Amps. Let's move the thingy. Okay. Minus. this is minus, this is plus, and obviously it's taking no power. Okay, the multimeter shows us the things. So this is minus, this is plus, and when I press the button, (4.5 milliamps). Yeah, so it's working. Yeah. So I just use the multimeter on serial mode, and obviously the power supply is not showing me anything because it will show from 10 milliamps up. So we have 0, and when I press the button we have 4.5. Yeah. Okay, so the remote is working. Okay, that's the best way to check the remote, using the multimeter on serial mode. Okay, so we know for sure the remote is working. Yeah. Okay. Okay, yeah, that was an easy one. Yeah, just, you know, I'll try to find out what car is, and I'll leave the car name on the description. Yeah, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the video, and see you later. Yeah, bye.